Container gardens are options for persons with limited space enjoying gardening. Most of the containers are mobile and easy to move on patios, balconies, and window boxes. However, a container plant growing in an exposed location is under more stress and requires more frequent watering. The effects of hot, dry winds might be more severe than in conventional gardens. Soil mixes. When ordinary soil is saturated with water, the air spaces are filled, removing essential air from the roots. Therefore, it is recommended to use a soil substitute called potting mix, free of disease organisms, insects, or weeds. Also, additional ingredients such as peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite that allow rapid drainage but still hold sufficient water for plant growth. Containers are available in various sizes, shapes, and styles. Plastic are more common, however tend to break. Clay is absorbent and allows water loss from the sides of the container. Wood is a popular material. Both redwood and cedar are relatively rot resistant and can be used without staining or painting, as well as exterior grade plywood. It is essential for a container to have holes in the bottom for draining excess water. Size depends on the type of plants you plan to grow. There should be a balance between the top growth and root system of plants. Plants in a hot patio exposed to winds or in elevated locations might need a slightly larger container than those in more protected areas. Most small vegetables will grow in containers ranging from 5-inch to a gallon size. Larger vegetables such as dwarf tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers will require 1 to 3 gallon containers. Fertilizer. Since potting mixes drain water rapidly, causing fertilizers to be washed out while watering, the lost fertilizer needs to be replaced. Lighter mixes will require more frequent fertilizing than heavier mixes containing soil. Controlled release or time release fertilizers are also widely available. These are pellets designed to release fertilizer gradually over a long period of time. Watering. Since containers are usually placed in an exposed location, water is lost from the containers quickly. There is no rule of thumb on how often to water because it varies with the type of plant, potting mix, weather, and type of container. You might find that daily watering is needed during hot, dry periods. One advantage of using a potting mix is that it's nearly impossible to overwater, as the water quickly drains from the container. Culture and care. Plants need care and attention throughout the season. Insects and disease can be concerned because plants are growing under more stress and with limited root systems. Control measures are similar to those for conventional gardening. What to grow. For example, you can plant vegetables, herbs, or decorative plants. Vegetables require sunny locations and differ in productivity depending on the type of crop. Many gardeners grow herbs near the kitchen to use in cooking. Some herbs are reoccurring and can be moved indoors for winter use or held in the container until next year. Some of the vegetables varieties to grow during the spring and fall: beets, carrot, leaf lettuce, onion, radish. During the summer: bean, cucumber, eggplant, muskmelon, pepper, squash, tomato, watermelon. Thank you for watching, and please click on the link to subscribe for more videos.